Welcome. If you've ever opened WhatsApp and found your friends or family members' status updates flooding your feed, don't worry. You can easily mute the ones you'd rather not see. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to mute someone's status on WhatsApp, step by step. This method works for the latest version of the app, so you can follow along confidently. First, grab your phone and open WhatsApp. Once the app loads, look toward the bottom of your screen and tap on the Status tab. This is where all the updates from your contacts appear. Photos, videos, and text updates that disappear after 24 hours. Now scroll through the list until you find the contact whose updates you'd like to mute. When you've found them, press and hold on their name or profile picture for a moment. Keep your finger pressed until you see a pop-up menu appear on the screen. At this point, you'll notice an option that says Hide. That's the key step. Tap on Hide, and WhatsApp will instantly move that contact's status updates into the Muted Updates section at the bottom of your Status tab. You won't see their new updates mixed in with everyone else's anymore, but you can still access them later if you ever want to. And that's it. Super simple. Their statuses won't bother you unless you choose to unmute them later. If you ever change your mind, scroll down to the Muted Updates section, tap and hold on the contact again, and select Unhide. Their status updates will then appear normally in your feed once more. Muting someone's status is perfect for keeping your WhatsApp feed clean and focused while still staying connected. You're not blocking or removing anyone. You're just controlling what you see, your way. So the next time someone's daily posts start taking over your feed, now you know exactly how to fix it. Go ahead, try it out. You'll appreciate how much calmer your WhatsApp feels.